Hi, my name is Fuego Muy. You know what? My name is Fuego Muy, and this is my social media website.
Honey, I see you looking at me.
I kind of want to explain a little bit about me and why I even started doing this in the first place. I've been working as a software engineer for about 7 years now. One thing that always fascinated me was the social media applications we spend so much time on every day. And I wanted to know what it was like to make one of these apps. Because there's only so few that have dominated the marketplace, you usually don't see a new one enter the field. So I wanted to try to get my own stab at making an application. Where did the idea for my website come from? The process actually started back in 2020, so a super long time ago. I knew I wanted to make a website, but really coming up with the idea of what I wanted to make was the question. So I racked my brain really trying to think about it. And then I actually went out with a friend to a bar and I was gonna order something to drink, but I didn't know what. So I just went with my usual, which was rum and Coke. But it kind of got me thinking it would have been nice to try something different, something maybe I've never tried before. So that was the idea that really sparked my curiosity for maybe researching other drink types and maybe creating this website to be about that. So that's what Bartendr has become, a social media platform to share different drink recipes and different cocktails with a community of like-minded drink enthusiasts. That was the impetus of the idea, and once I grabbed onto that, then I just got right into making some actual features. It's something that's very near and dear to my heart. I definitely wanted to make this video series to chronicle just how things are progressing, and once I get to the point where it's actually able to release to everyone worldwide, I wanted these video series to kind of promote that. Take a quick walkthrough of some of the features, and then maybe we'll take a look at what's possibly going to come in the future. All right, so when you load the website, this is what you're going to see. So I like kind of how this layout looks to start off. I actually found a layout inspiration that kind of walked you through how to kind of get this simplistic splash pages view for your landing page when I was originally starting the project. Here I got a video playing in the background, kind of set the mood for the vibe of what you're gonna see when you come here. And as you see, I kind of have this kind of try drink. So you click on this and you get to actually go to whatever drink that is being mentioned here. Every time you load the page, you get a different one. So I find that pretty cool. Then you can also meet other drink enthusiasts. So we're gonna take a look at some things that are here. So we have our dashboard. Not too much development has happened on this page, unfortunately. But what is going to happen is that you're going to be able to see things like your feed, the activities of people you're following. You'll get a daily drink recommendation. I'm still kind of debating this one, whether I want this to be daily or maybe even weekly, or even kind of float around the weekends when most people are going to be drinking. I don't know. Still kind of theorizing, but that's where you're going to get a drink recommendation.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't need it.
Then you can interact with some of the content that's posted from the people who you follow and things like that. So you have your profile. So here I'm thinking you're gonna have your top 5. So you can put 5 drinks that's your absolute faves, and people come to your page, they can see some of those drinks that you have left. And then also maybe some of the other interactions you've done on the site. So different comments you left on other pages, things you've liked, stuff like that. So that's can be on your profile. And then explore, that'll be kind of similar to the dashboard in that you'll see other activity. But I think the difference with the Explorer is while the dashboard will be more so focused on things that you might be interested in but haven't been exposed to. So the content your friends post or interact with won't exist on the Explorer, but maybe the content that your friends' friends will interact with, or maybe 3 levels removed, things like that. That'll be on the Explorer. Or just drinks that you might have or if we find out a certain drink is getting real popular, a lot of activities being posted on that drink, then that'll show up in a lot of users' Explore page. So let's take a quick look back at the profile. So say I really like this smashed watermelon margarita. What we have here is obviously a quick picture of what that drink is, the ingredients to how to make it, because I think that's a cool feature to have. This application isn't just for learning about the different drinks, but also, you can learn how to make these things your own self. You don't have to go to the bar every time you want to get one of these watermelon margaritas. And quick instructions on how to make it. This was the most recent feature that I've actually been working on, the comment section. So pretty much it's going to work similar to how every comment section in all of existence of all of social media has ever done. So you leave a comment, it's posted, and then other people can see it, right? That's the main idea.
All they do is boom, on their stupid whistles. Rub, rub, rub that white stuff on their noses.
Also, with your comments, you can post whatever content you like. You're gonna keep it PG, try to keep it safe, you know, no need for any like bad terminology and things like that. You can interact with the comments, like obviously, and then dislike. So I noticed a lot of social platforms are removing disliking features. I do not like that. I do not like that. I think just how you can show your support for something, you should be able to show your disapproval of something. Like if someone leaves a pretty crazy comment, you should be able to say that as well. So right there, you pretty much saw like an error message. So something failed just there, but it's all good. We're still working. I'm still working out the kinks for this stuff. So
Well, then get your shit together. Get it all together and put it in a backpack. All your shit, so it's together. And if you gotta take it somewhere, you know? Take it to the shit store and sell it. Or put it in a shit museum. I don't care what you do. You just gotta get it together. Get your shit together.
And then you can see replies as well and reply to a comment. So if I want to show replies, I click that and I can see all the replies under it that has happened for a specific comment. So let's leave a comment. Let's see. Hi from YouTube. That's gonna be our comment. Well, that was awkward. It didn't go. Let me try refreshing. There it is. Okay. Looks like something failed when I posted it originally. I'll figure that out too. Don't worry about it, guys. Let's say we want something that has some gin in it, but we don't know what drink we want. We don't have one in mind already. So let's say we just put gin in our search bar. It'll search across our database and look at every drink that we have that contains gin or something related to gin. So let's see. Let's look at some of the drinks we have. We have gin fizz, gin sour, pink gin. Ooh, pink gin looks pretty nice. Gin daisy, gin sling, gin smash, gin toddy, gin tonic, gin lemon, gin cooler, a gin squirt. Ooh, there's some pretty good drinks here, actually. We can look at our Trello board. This is the app that I've been working on for a little bit of time. So if we look here at our Trello board, there's actually a lot of things that are in there. Some of them are outdated. Some of them we don't need to worry about. What I like to do is take, like the second I think of something, I just throw it in the backlog and just have it sit there. That way, like none of my ideas, I don't forget them. So if I come up with an idea that is something that needs to be worked on, I just put it straight into the backlog. Then when I'm actually gonna work on things, I put it into this to-do bar. So here are the things that I'm actually going to work on like in the near future. If for some reason something's blocked, I'll put it in the block section and explain why it's blocked in there. If I'm currently working on the thing, then I'll put it in the doing. And then once it's done, I'll move it to done. Once I add things to do, like I won't add anything else into to do. I like leave to do as these are the things that are currently getting done. And then once those things are done, then I'll put more things in to do. So that's Bartender pretty much in a nutshell. If you guys want me to explain certain parts of the website, maybe some of the AWS integrations that I have set up, maybe some of the backend or front end stack that I'm using to actually make the thing, just let me know what you're interested in and I'll make it happen. All right, see you guys.